Traicee helps you set clear goals and track your performance throughout the year. You'll set your goals in the settings section, under the menu item, Goals. Traicee guides you through a short interview process where you'll enter your income goal and a few key details about your business. Once the interview is complete, Traicee built an editable goal matrix. Every number in the grid is connected, so when you change one value, you could see how it affects all the others. This makes it easy to experiment and understand what it takes to reach your income goals. Adjust your numbers until the plan matches your workflow and capacity. Once your goals are set, you can track your progress from the dashboard in the Performance Tracker. As your transactions move forward, Traicee updates your progress automatically. Setting your goals is quick and it gives you a clear roadmap for the year.